Good morning, children. I hope, children, you all have written the notes of EVS 2 Part 1 and Part 2 neatly in your classwork book and also understood the lesson properly. Now, today I will do the brief explanation of lesson 3, that is Maratha Sardar, the famous house of the Bhosle. I will do this lesson in short so that those who might have missed out for any problem regarding the chapter might take the benefit. So let's start with the session. First, I will recap the major points. Here we can see Shahaji Raje. Who was Shahaji Raje? Yes, children, he was the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Now, we will study about him later, but first I will cover the major points of the lesson. The brave Maratha soldier with a spear in his hand and a sword at his side. Second, the Jadavs of Sindhgate, Nimbalkars of Paltan, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, and Bhosles of Verul. Third, the temple of Grushneshwar was falling to pieces. And where it was? Yes, near the Verul caves. Fourth, Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. And when this temple was falling to pieces, who repaired it? Yes, Maloji Raje. He restored the temple of Grushneshwar. Very good. Now, we will understand it in brief. See, you can see the saints preached devotion to God, and these Maratha Sardar were showing their bravery. It was a great period of unrest. The two sultans, Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly fighting with each other. And they made use of these armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. Okay, children? Next. The Maratha Sardars were brave, tough, fearless, loyal, and were proud of their achievements on the battlefield. I hope you remember brave, tough, fearless, and loyal, as I had told you in the last video. Very strong. They were not frightened of anything. All the Maratha Sardars had their own armies. Therefore, the sultans employed them and conferred a jagir upon him. They gave a jagir to them. The Sardar who received such a jagir considered himself a Raja. Means he thought himself a Raja because he received that jagir. Now next. Famous Maratha Sardar at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. As I told you in brief, there were Jadavs of Sindhgate, the Nimbalkars of Paltan, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verul. These were the famous Maratha Sardars. The Sindhgate Jadavs were the descendants of Devgiri. Means they were the forefathers. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhgate. Okay, now next. Let's move out to next. Here tradition of valor. The Maratha Sardars, the brave Maratha Sardars, were sworn enemies of each other. They were not united. They used their valor and bravery to serve the interests of others. The Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery and enterprise. Next. Now here we come to Temple of Grushneshwar. Now you remember, children, about 400 years ago, the temple of Grushneshwar near Verul caves was falling to pieces and the walls developed crack. The priest had deserted the temple, means no priest used to go there, and due to that no people used to come. All devotees यानी कि जो भगवान को मानते हैं कोई नहीं जाता था. Mourned, but no one thought of repairing it. There was one great devotee. Who was he? Yes, Maloji Raje Bhosle of Verul. He visited the temple regularly. He was a great devotee of Shiva. He carried out extensive repair work. He arranged proper maintenance and restored the lost grandeur of the Grushneshwar temple. Now, let's move forward. Here, I will tell you the main basic points first. Babaji Raje had two sons. First was elder Maloji Raje and the younger Vithoji Raje. Malik Ambar was a chief minister. He is also called Wazir. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. A battle took place at Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. Sharif Ji was killed in this battle. Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. He honoured him with the title of Sar Lashkar. At last, when Nizam Shah he began to decline, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. So, we will see in the slide. The Bhosles of Verul, Patil of Verul. Babaji Raje had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Both were brave and enterprising, had many armed Maratha troops. Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was the capital, and Malik Ambar was the chief minister. Chief minister is also called the Wazir. Malik Ambar was able and a wise man, and Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas because it was in his recommendation, because they were brave. The brothers were very brave. So the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Okay, children. Now, Maloji Raje. We will study about him. Maloji Raje's wife, Umabai, came from the house of Nimbalkars of Palthan. Now, they had two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharif Ji. As Maloji Raje was killed in the battle at Indapur, Vithoji Raje looked after Maloji's children. Shahaji married Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Here you can see her picture, Veer Mata Jijabai. Now, Next, Shahaji Raje. As you saw his picture in the beginning, he was very brave and capable man. He was held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. He made an alliance, means a plan, with Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely for Nizam Shah at Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. Now here Sharif ji was killed in the battle. Malik Ambar grew jealous of Shahaji Raje. उसको जलन हो गई थी. Shahaji left Nizam Shah and joined the court of Adil Shah. Now, Adil Shah honored Shahaji, means he respected him and welcomed him. And Shahaji was given the title of Sar Lashkar, means the chief of army. Now, Wazir Malik Ambar died. He died and his son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shah. Now, this was a period of decline for Nizam Shah. Due to the threat of Mughal aggression, means there was a pressure from Mughal. Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to come back and save it. Therefore, Shahaji left Adil Shah and came back to Nizam Shah. And so now children, hope you all have enjoyed my session, and please see that you all have completed your notes as soon as possible, because in the next session I'll be starting with a very interesting lesson and you all will enjoy it. So take care. See you soon.